Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. Don't you just love my giant magenta spot on my table? Anywho, this is the tilt and swirl from my last video where I used my new torch and I added mica powder to the paint. I have looked at it in all sorts of light and do not really see the mica powder. So I don't think paint, unless maybe I added like 3 times the amount. It shows up, I mean, it's a little bit shinier than usual, but I'm not seeing the iridescence in the blue that I thought I would. So I know it works with resin and it worked with the Floetrol. So maybe it only works with the paint if I add a ton more. Today I'm using their Arteza pouring acrylics, a red background with a blowout with a straw. I painted the sides red already because sometimes when you use a darker color, the sides don't want to adhere as much and you'll see white spots, which I don't want. So I'm using these pouring acrylics. They come pre-mixed. There's a link to them in the video description. So I've got titanium white, lemon yellow, ultramarine blue, and brilliant red. I'm going to start with the red. And I let paint dry on this, but hopefully maybe it'll still work. It does. Maybe the new paint will activate the old paint to come off. I could just soak in water, but I just discovered it right before I started filming, so I haven't had a chance to do anything about it. So I am going to kind of paint the sides with the little bit of red that has dripped off. That way it will be the exact same color red. Alrighty. Let's do yellow. Keep forgetting to shake. White. Blue. And get me a straw and see what happens. It kind of looks like a Tide Pod. Didn't think about that. I really like the colors though. I mean, sort of still Tide Pod-ish. Seeing if it's going to tilt, if I can tilt any of this off. This is the Urban Creator Torch. I've got a 15% off link till I believe February 8th. So it's like $20 and change and then 15% off that. So there's a link for that. And I think it is finished and perfect. Set it over here so I can grab the camera. Oh my gosh, it's so glary. I really like it. It's really fun experimenting with different colored backgrounds. I've stuck with white for so many years that it's fun to experiment. So thank you so very much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.